I'm going to show you how to replace the earmuffs on the Philips A3-Pro. Don't lose this. Set it aside. So you have this. Get something thin enough to pry it off of there. So we're gonna get this, put it on the edge, and carefully pry, insert that, see that? If it doesn't want to do that, yeah, go around. Yeah. That's exactly what you want to do. So now everything's all set. You know, you can either wash these or buy new ones. So these are the original ones, just, you know, without the coating. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna place this onto here, like so. You can see that. And remember this, don't lose this, because this, you put it on here. So let's get our headphones back. You see these 4 sort of indents? These match up to here. These 4 protrusions. I don't know what you call them. So match them up like a puzzle. Yeah, we're gonna have to match them up until you hear them snap in place. So there you go. You have successfully replaced the earmuffs on the Philips A3-Pro.